my fans, if you have not been watching all the videos I've been making all throughout today, try to watch those videos. You will see the importance of everything you have been doing there. You understand? Yes, you will see the importance of everything we have been doing. Then another thing is you need to understand is we have harvested all. So it's now time for me to, I've been packing the bunches and the seed at once. So I am still packing. So I want you to stay with me. This is like the second to the last. We still have some there. So we are going to be packing. So if you don't know how, that was I saying. I was saying to look for a way to watch this video. If you may, if you have not, if you don't know how you used to harvest it, go to this channel and find those videos. So we now move. We're now packing here in this particular. So make sure you are learning from me. If you don't know how these things are done, we are open to teach you. This is just the little ones I can harvest because I cannot climb. So the man that will be climbing will be coming maybe tomorrow or next to come and do the climbing one and then harvest it. You understand? So this is as far as to this extent. This is the first time you're coming across my channel or my videos. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, because I am your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. Yeah? Okay. I only want to remain there now, carry on.